Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly manage their money while others struggle? The secret is simple: understanding personal finance. But what is personal finance and how can you master it? In the grand scheme of things, personal finance breaks down into three fundamental pillars: earning, saving, and investing. Firstly, earning. This pillar is all about how you generate income. For most people, this comes from a job. But it's not just about how much you make, it's also about how you negotiate your salary, diversify your income streams, and make the most of your skills and talents. Next, we have saving. Saving is the act of setting aside a portion of your earnings for future use. It's not just about putting money in a bank account and forgetting about it. It's about creating a budget, tracking your expenses, and making wise spending decisions. It's about understanding the difference between wants and needs and prioritizing your financial goals. Finally, we have investing. Investing is the process of making your money work for you. This involves understanding the basics of stock markets, mutual funds, real estate, and other investment vehicles. It's about taking calculated risks to grow your wealth over time. Now, mastering these three pillars won't happen overnight. It requires discipline, patience, and a willingness to learn. But the rewards are well worth the effort. So to sum up, personal finance is about earning, saving, and investing. It's about understanding how money works and making smart decisions that will help you achieve your financial goals. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to improve your financial health, remember these three pillars and the principles behind them. They're your key to financial freedom and a secure future. Don't let the complexity of personal finance intimidate you. Start with the basics, take it one step at a time, and remember that every little bit helps. It's never too early or too late to take control of your finances. After all, your financial future is in your hands, so make it count. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. So take your time, stay disciplined, and keep learning. And before you know it, you'll be well on your way to mastering personal finance and achieving your financial goals.